how to fix your account was compromised on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if your Instagram account has been compromised. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. To fix a compromised account on Instagram basically means that lots of devices are logged in, or maybe someone got access to your account. First of all, check if you still have access to your account. So right here you can see I still have access to my account. Now there are some precautions you should take. First of all, just come to your profile page, tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side, then go to Account Center. Now as soon as you gain access to your account, the first thing is to change your password. So go to Password and Security, tap on Change Password, and select your Instagram account and enter your current password and retype your new password. Check if you have turned on two-factor authentication and enabled two-factor authentication. Go to where you're logged in and you will see a list of all the devices logged into your Instagram account. So make sure to log out from all those devices that you see over here as well. Now you also want to check your, let's say, your contact addresses, because chances are if someone got access to your account, they could have tried to change the contact like phone number or email that was associated with the account. So for that, you want to go to personal details, go to contact info, and make sure that your contact information is still intact. So this way you can fix a compromised Instagram account. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.